Have you ever wondered if we're running out of sand for CPUs? It's an intriguing question that may have crossed the minds of tech enthusiasts and environmentalists alike. However, this is a common misconception. Although sand is indeed a finite resource, the sand used in CPUs is a very specific type that contributes to only a tiny fraction of the total sand used globally. It's crucial to understand that not all sand is created equal. The sand used in CPUs needs to be of exceptional purity, containing at least 95% silicon dioxide. This type of sand, known as quartz sand, is found in specific locations such as beaches and sand dunes. In contrast, the vast majority of sand used globally, over 50 billion tons per year, is for construction purposes like concrete and asphalt. This type of sand doesn't need to be as pure as quartz sand and can come from various sources, including riverbeds and crushed rock. While quartz sand is used in the initial processing of silicon for CPUs, the actual silicon material used in the chips often comes from other sources, such as quartzite and silicon carbide. These are mined minerals with a much higher silicon content than sand, and their supply is not as limited. Moreover, the semiconductor industry is exploring ways to recycle silicon from used electronics, reducing its reliance on virgin sand. Hence, a shortage of sand specifically for CPUs is not a major concern. The bigger challenges for the semiconductor industry lie in developing new technologies for miniaturization and efficiency, rather than securing a sand supply. To recap, the sand used in electronics production is a very small percentage of the total sand used globally. The semiconductor industry is constantly innovating and finding ways to use less silicon in its chips. Moreover, recycling electronic waste is becoming increasingly common, which can help to reduce the demand for virgin sand. So while it's important to be mindful of our resource use, there's no need to worry about running out of sand for CPUs anytime soon. In the grand scheme of things, sand for CPUs is just a grain in the desert.